Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our new heavy-duty ACCURL Variable Rake Guillotine. This one we're featuring today is a 3200 by 8mm variable rake, and it has the P-Touch touchscreen CNC controller. We'll just overview some of the features on this machine. First of all, it's a variable rake, which means you can vary the rake angle or the blade angle from about 0.5 to 3 degrees. Obviously, if you're doing narrow strips, you lower the rake angle down so it stops any twist. We've got heavy-duty front sheet supports. We've got the squaring arm on the left-hand side. We've also got a side throat, and around the machine here, as you can see, the back gauge. We've got OH&S safety guards that cut the machine off if somebody walks behind the machine. We've got an illuminated back cutting area as well. Heavy-duty blades with reversible blades, as always on our machine, so you get multi-edge blades. You've also got an e-stop button there, so safety is very, very important to us. And then around this side of the machine, we've got the safety interlock, so we just press that button again, so it's ready to activate. And we come around the front, and this is the P-Touch controller. The P-Touch controller is an NC go-to back gauge, which you can program in for tensile strength, blade gap setting, rake angle, and also a go-to NC back gauge. So we're just going to press the power up button. So you can hear that running now, the ACCURL heavy duty guillotine. You can also bring this front guard up here, which we'll do afterwards, and get closer to the blade if need be, but we'll just do a stroke. And as I sort of said, you can lift this front guard up, which turns the machine off though, and that sort of shows you the heavy duty hydraulic clamping hold downs and the heavy duty blades on this machine. So jump onto assetplan.com.au and find our range of industrial built ACCURL variable rake guillotines. Thanks, and have a great day.